Hello and greetings and regards from the diabetes unit of the King Edward Memorial Hospital, Rastapet, Pune. Today we shall be talking about the diabetic foot clinic, which is the integral part of the diabetes unit at KEM Hospital. The diabetic foot unit specifically is concerned with the complications, preventions and management of diabetic foot issues for the patients who come and are registered with the KEM Hospital, Pune. The diabetic foot unit is headed by orthopedic surgeons and consists of other doctors and dressers and preventive care counselors who help in the integral and holistic management of the diabetic foot issues. The diabetic foot department has successfully done limb salvage surgeries and looks after limb salvage and problems for the patients who have diabetes and have a diabetic foot problem. Diabetic foot unit looks after the prevention and management of chronic diabetic foot wounds and injuries, and has a footwear part which helps in patients selection of diabetic footwear, which is also an integral part of the diabetic foot management. Problems that occurs as a sequelae and complication of chronic undiagnosed or untreated diabetes. It is generally said, as per WHO surveys, that one foot is amputated every second throughout the world as a direct result or indirect consequence of diabetes. The diabetes unit takes cognizance that India is the world capital of diabetes, and diabetic foot issues form a major part of complications of diabetes. In this diabetes unit, our primary focus is patient counseling and prevention of diabetic foot problems through patient education, lectures, seminars, and patient awareness and relative awareness, so that relatives can also be a part of the diabetic foot management. Diabetic foot issues can be successfully prevented with adequate knowledge to the patient regarding foot at risk and other issues which the patient needs to do, so that he can have minimum complications, and should such complications arise, he is aware to reach out to us before serious consequences set in. After the patient has been referred to the diabetes foot unit by the physician, we are now assessing her foot sensation with a biotheziometer, which will help us in picking up her loss of sensation of the feet in an early phase, which will help the patient to take preventive action and chart her further course of her problem with her foot.